Good morning, class. So this is our question that says you have to calculate the area of the given figure. So first what we will do, we will just divide the figure into subdivisions so that, look, this is a random figure. We don't know what's the formula for this, even we don't know what is this structure called. So what will you do? We will just construct a line here. Okay. Now if we can see that this was a line parallel to this is at 90 degree, that is, this forms a rectangle. If this is figure 1 and this is figure 2, this forms a rectangle here, and this is a, if you can see, this is a trapezium with two sides parallel. How we can say that they are parallel? That this and this are 90 degree. So these two sides are parallel and these two sides are non-parallel, so this forms a trapezium. Okay, so what will you do? We will calculate the area of first figure and second figure separately and then add them up, and we will get the area of whole figure. We will start doing it by naming it A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, our figure first is F, G, D, E. Okay, or write it D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G is a rectangle. Okay, so area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, all these sides are given in centimeter. Okay, so what is the length here? Length means this base part, this part, ED. Okay, this ED or is this FG are the same thing. Okay, this ED or FG, this ED or FG are the same thing. So this FG is given as 2 centimeter. So length is 2 centimeter, and breadth means this side. Okay, this side, this is 5, so this will also be 5. So this is breadth is 5 centimeters. So it is 10 centimeter square. Okay, so what next? So our next thing here is second figure that says A, B, C, D trapezium with AB is parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find the area of trapezium whose formula is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. Distance means the altitude or the perpendicular distance. Okay, what is the sum of parallel side? Look, our first side is AB plus CD. AB plus CD are the parallel sides into distance. Look, distance is AD. How AD? Distance is always taken that is parallel. Okay, that is at perpendicular. So this AD, if we see, it's at 90 degree here and this is also at 90 degree here. So this AD, that is a straight long line, is perpendicular at both the end. That is, AD is the length here, AD is the altitude, AD is the height here, or the distance between the parallel side, that is AB and DC. Okay, so with this length is divided into two parts, AG plus GD. Okay, this full AD is divided into two parts, AG and GD. AG and GD. So what is AG? AG here is 4 centimeter and GD here is this 5 centimeter. Okay, so this AD can be written as AG plus GD. So half into, what is AB? AB is given as 3 centimeter. Plus CD. This is CD. Okay. We have to find only CD, not EC. EC is 7 here, but we have to get only DC. Okay. This EC complete side is 7 here, but we have to get only this part. So we will subtract this ED. Okay. What will we do? Here CD will be equals to EC minus ED. That is this full complete side, that is 7 minus ED. ED here is this 2 centimeter. This is 2, so this is also 2, as this is a rectangle. This is 2 and this will also be 2. So ED is 2 centimeter. So it will be 5. So CD is 5. So we will write 5 in place of CD into AD. What was AD? AD is, as I have told you, AG plus GD. So AG here was 4 and GD here is this 5. So this is 9 centimeters, 5 centimeters. This is 9. So half into 8 into 9. 4 7s are 28 centimeter square. So this is the area of full figure will be area of 1 plus 2. Okay, area of 1 here is 10 and area of 2 here is 28. 10 plus 28, that is 38 centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer of this figure. Good morning, class. So this is our next question. We have to find the area of each section of this figure. That is area of 1 plus 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to find the area of all the 5 figures separately. Okay. Here it says that this and this all are same. It's given in the question that if the width of each section is same, means the thickness of each section is same. So this are the thickness. This thickness of all the section are same. So how will we find the thickness? If this is x, this will also be x, this will also be x, and this will also be x. Okay. Look, if we can see that if the thickness is same, then this 32, this complete side 32 is divided between 3 sections. This x, then this 24 and this x. X, 24 and x is the division of this full side, that is 32. Okay, this x, this 24 and this x is the division of full side 32. Look, this is complete 32, of which our small portion is x, and this is 24 and this is also x. So this 32 is divided in 3 sections, 24, x and x. So what will be the value of this x? That is 32 minus 24 equals to 2x. 2x is equals to 8. X is equals to 8 upon 2. So x is equals to 4 centimeters. All these sides are given in centimeter. This 24 and 20 are also in centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. Okay. So what next? We have to do that we have to find the area of each section. Okay. Means if we start with 1, area of 1. Look, this is a trapezium with AD and PQ parallel, AB and PQ parallel. Okay, AB and PQ are parallel, so half into sum of parallel sides, that is AB plus PQ, into distance between parallel side, that is x. This is the distance between parallel side, this and this. This is the distance between parallel side, that is x. So half into AB. What is AB? AB is this 28. This is 28, so this will also be 28. So 28 into plus, what is PQ? PQ is this RS. Look, okay, it is a rectangle inside, so this RS is equals to PQ. This is 20 and this will also be 20 into x. X here is 4. That is half into 28 plus 20, that is 48 into 4. So area of 1 is equals to 48 into 2 is 96 centimeter square. So now area of 2. What is area of 2? Look, this is also a trapezium whose parallel sides are BC and QR. This is BC and this is QR. These are the parallel sides, and distance between parallel side is this x, that was 4 centimeters. So this is the distance. This and this are the parallel sides in this figure trapezium. BC RQ, that is BC RQ equals to half into sum of parallel side, that is BC plus RQ into distance between them was x. So half into BC here is 32, RQ here is 24, x here is 4. This is 2s are 32 plus 24. It is 56. 32 plus 20, it is 52. 52 plus 4 is 56 into 2, that is 112 centimeter square. So area of 3, that is area of 3. Here it is CDSR. CDSR, that is CDSR. It is also a trapezium here with its base with its parallel side CD and SR. Half into sum of parallel side, that is CD plus SR, into distance between the parallel side, that is again x. Half into CD here is 28, SR is 20 into 4, so it is 28 plus 20, 48 into 2, that is 96 centimeter square. Okay, our next here is area of 4, that is DAPS. So here the parallel sides are, this is also a trapezium. DA and PS are the parallel sides. Their distance is, height between them is x. So DA plus PS, height between them is x. So distance between them is x. So half into DA here is 32. PS here is 24. into 4, it will come out to be 112 centimeter square. Okay, this is area of DAPS. So now area of 5. What is fifth figure? PQRS. PQRS is a rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So this rectangle, okay, here length is 20 and breadth is 24. So 480 centimeter square. This is the area of fifth part. So this are all the separation of area of fifth, 4, 3, 2 and 1. All the areas have been found out. Okay. So this is our next question. Here we have to find the area of this given polygon. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So these are the 8 sides and we have to find the area of this given figure. So we don't know this figure, what this figure is known as. So what will we do? We will just divide it into 3 segments. This is a trapezium and then this is a rectangle and then this is again a trapezium. This was 15, so this will also be 15. In rectangle its opposite sides are equals. So this is 8, so this will also be 8. Here this is 6 meters, so this will also be 6 meter, as this was a regular figure, that is all the dimensions are somewhat equal. So this is 6, so this will also be 6. This is a regular polygon, so its all sides will be 8 centimeter, like this side is 8 centimeters, so this will also be 8. 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 So its all sides will be 8 meters. So now we have to find the area of this figure. So we have divided this into 3 parts. This is first part, that is trapezium, second is rectangle and third is trapezium. So area of complete figure is divided between 3 parts. So area of first part, that is ABCH. ABCH. It is a trapezium. So area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides. So what are the parallel sides in this trapezium? Parallel sides are AB and CH. Okay, this AB and this CH are the parallel sides, AB and CH. So AB plus CH. Okay, these are the parallel sides AB and CH. So now the distance between the parallel side is given as 6. Okay, so this is 6. Half into, what is AB? AB is 8 here plus CH, it is 15 here, into it is 6 here, that is it is cutted by 2 and we are left with only 3. So 8 plus 15 is 23, into 3 it is 69 meter square. Okay, now area of 2. What is 2? CDGH. It is a rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what is length here? Length here is this 15. This is length and this is breadth. This is breadth and this is length. So 15 into 8. Okay, 15 into 8, it is 120 meter square. All are in meters, so that's why meter square. Now area of 3, DEFG. It is a trapezium. Area of trapezium is again half into sum of parallel sides. So what are the parallel sides here? Parallel sides are EF and GD. EF and GD are the parallel lines. EF and GD, as they whenever they will be extended, they will never intersect. So EF and GD. Okay, into its height is 6. Height, that is distance between parallel sides, is given as 6. So half into EF is 8, GD here is 15 into 6, it is 3 sa, so 8 into 15, sorry 8 plus 15, it is 23 into 3, that is 69 centimeter square. So area of full figure is area of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so area of 1 here is 69 plus area of 2 is 120, area of 3 is 69. So 69 plus 69 is 138, 138 and 120, it is 258 meter square. This is the answer. This is our last question from this exercise, and this figure is divided into 5 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will we do? What will I do? This is first part, this is second part, this is third part, and this 4 and 5, if you see, this is a complete triangle. So I will say that this full figure is figure number 4. So we have got this figure divided into 4 parts. So what will we do? We will calculate the area of all the 4 parts and then add them up. So first, area of 1, that is ABF. It is triangle. Okay? So in this triangle, the area of triangle is half base into height, that is half into base into height. So here base is AF into height is BF, that is half into AF. AF is 3 centimeters, BF is 2 centimeters. So area of 1 is 3 centimeter square. Now area of 2. What is 2? BCHF. BCHF. It is a trapezium. So area of trapezium BCHF, area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So half into sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides in this? Look, if I hold this figure like this, so this BF and HC are the parallel sides that goes in this way and they will never intersect each other. So BF and HC. Into distance between parallel sides. What is the distance between parallel sides? Distance between parallel sides is this FH. Look, these are at perpendiculars, these are the perpendiculars, so these are the straight lines. So HF is the distance between parallel sides. Here if we see this HF, this part, okay. If we have the area of AH, length of AH, that is 6, and we eliminate this length of AF, that is 3, we will get the length of HF. Okay, this AH minus AF will get the length of HF. So AH here is 6 and AF here is 4. Wait, 3. So 6 minus 3, it is 3 centimeters. This is HF. So now half into BF. BF here is 2 into HC. CH, it is 3. 2 plus 3 into this is 3. Half into 5 into 3, that is 15 by 2, that is 7.5 centimeter square. This is the area of second part. Now area of 3. Area of 3, it is a triangle. Okay, this name is CDH. This is a triangle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. What is the base here? Base here is HD into height. Height here is this HC. So half into HD. If we see for HD, this HD is not given here. This AD is complete line is given and this AH is given. If we from this complete line, if we subtract AH, we will get HD. From this complete line, if we subtract AH, we will get HD. So complete line AD is 8 and AH is 6. AD minus AH. This HD will be AD, this HD will be AD minus AH. So AD here is 8, AH here is 6. This is 2 centimeters. So now what? HD is 2 and CH or HC, CH is 3. This is also 3 centimeter square. Now area of 4, that is DEA. This is a triangle. Again the area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay. So if we rotate the figure and see it this way around, this is the base, this is the base and this is the height. So base into height, base into height. Base is AD, height is GE. Okay, base is AD, height is GE. Okay, so AD here is 8. GE 2.5. 4 into 2.5, it is 10 centimeter square. Okay, so area of complete figure it is equals to area of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So area of 1 here is 3 plus area of 2 here is 7.5. Area of 3 here is 3. Area of 4 here is 10. So 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 10 23.5 centimeter square. This is our answer.